My name's Dean Dagan. I've been working at Woodford Golf Club for 3 years now and been the general manager for 8 months. Yeah, so we were introduced to Ceora, especially Husqvarna, around 12 months ago through one of our committee members, Ken Waring. We asked Husqvarna for a trial and we had a trial for around 1.5 to 2 months. And throughout the trial, the Ceora was just performing so well. Couldn't really fault it at all. Every time we sent it out, it mapped another fairway, it mowed another fairway. And then one day, Aaron and I were sitting in the greenkeeper shed. We had about 70 or 80 mils of rain. We were thinking, oh, okay, what do we do? So we sent out the Ceora. It went through the small puddles and mowed the fairway very efficiently through that water. So that was really the catalyst after that. We knew it worked well, we knew it was working wet, and we were pretty much sold after that point. So the Ceoras here at the golf club, we have 2 in operation. So one's located in the clubhouse, one's located in our solar panels down in the 12th tee.
With the size of the mowing areas on a golf course, it's always a challenge to keep up with all the mowing, especially during the growing season. The Ceora mowers have made the challenges around the course a lot easier by taking care of one of the largest areas to mow, which are the fairways.
So it cuts better than our traditional fairway mowers. It cuts at about 10 to 12 mil based on what we want to set it at through our auto mower app. The technology through ePOS works very, very well. Our main antenna sits on our clubhouse roof, and then we have 3 other repeaters located on the golf course.
The ePOS management system allows us to create virtual boundaries. From within the app, you can go to maps, change your schedules, change the cutting height, and you can change the mowing pattern. Within mowing pattern, there's 3 directions. There's parallel, there's checkerboard, and triangle. The benefit Ceora has over conventional mowers is noise. They're practically silent compared to a traditional mower.
So it allows us to operate them during night, doesn't disrupt our neighbours, and definitely doesn't disrupt our lovely wildlife out here on the course.
Because the Ceora runs on batteries, it eliminates the need for diesel or unleaded petrols, as well as hydraulics. Due to this, there is 0 chance of any environmental impact from spillages or leaks.
So we save ourselves about $5,000 per year in savings on diesel power as well. So the blades we have to replace every 2 to 3 weeks, so that's really the only maintenance that comes into it with our 5-year hypercare warranty.
With the Ceora's mowing fairways now, it's freed up around 20 man-hours a week, which has allowed us more time to do other jobs such as course improvements on bunkers and tees, as well as works on drainage for flood mitigation.
The members' experience has been exceptional. They've commented to me and Aaron several times that the fairways now cut at a really, really good height between 10 and 12 mil, and their lies improved, which really makes them enjoy their golf much, much more.
The Ceora mowers have been a great addition to the golf club. They've saved us on time, they've saved us on money, and they've improved the overall appearance of the course.